So hi everyone, it's Random Design, and this time with a random blog live from Comic-Con in Detroit. So let's have a look inside. This is the artist gallery, where many very talented artists showing their incredible work. Catherine was wearing her Tonks costume from Harry Potter and presented our 3D printed wand. We have also seen many other awesome costumes in the cosplay competition. So we are also giving a workshop here at the Michigan Comic-Con about 3D printing for cosplay. And for this workshop I have prepared some 3D printed pieces, for example our Batman helmet and our Widowmaker helmet here. I finished the helmet really in the last possible minutes, just a few hours before the convention has started. So we had a great weekend at the Michigan Comic-Con in Detroit. Now we are back in our workshop and will finish our Batman helmet and also start working on a new secret project. So subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay tuned on that. So hi everyone, da kommt der Bus. For example, our Widowmaker helmet here.